Hi students, welcome to my class. How are you all? Okay, in today's class, let's do some problems. Okay, this problem is about a Mincar bank. Okay, have you been into bank? What does we get from a bank? If we want money for some business, we can ask for loans from the bank so that we can do our business with this money. But we need to pay the interest and the amount full back to the bank. Okay, otherwise they will bankrupt. Okay, let's do this problem about loan.
Gracie need money to buy a net. Jancy and her sister want to buy a logboard, so they take a loan from the bank. They will return it with interest. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. How much money did she pay back to the bank? So the question is, how much she pay back to the bank? Okay, the question is that Gracie took loan for rupees 4,000 and paid back 345 every month. We need to find out how much did she pay back to the bank. Okay, she took the loan of rupees 4,000. She paid back 345 every month for 1 year. How many months in a year? We know that there are 12 months in a year. So we need to multiply 345 with 12. So 345 into 12. What is the answer? 5 to 7, 4 to 7, 9, 3 to 6, 345. So the answer is 4,140 rupees. The money she paid back to the bank is 4,140. And 140 is the, what is 140? It is the interest. Okay, she took a loan for 4,000 but she paid back 4,140. So 140 is the interest that bank takes. Okay, the next question. Jancy and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a logboard. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in 1 year. How much did they pay back every month? So here the question is how much they pay back every month. So we know that for 1 year 23,520. We need to find out how much they paid per month. Per month means how many months in a year? 12 months. We need to find out for 1 month. We need to find out 23520 divided by 12. This is how we need to find out per month. Let's divide 12. 2 digits. So here also we need to check just 2 digit first. In 23 one time, because 2 times it becomes 24. Okay, 12 and subtracting this we get this. Okay, next 12 into 10 means 120. That is bigger than this number, so it will be 12 into 9. What is each? 108. We need to study the multiplication table up to 15, then only you can do it easily. 15 minus 8, 7. Okay, next 72. 12 into 6 is 72. Those who know multiplication table, they can easily do it. Okay, we need to put this 0 here. So the answer is 1960 rupees per month. Next we are given a table. In the table we are given prices of various items like borewell for fresh water, bamboo rack, cement tank, tray knife and bucket, etc. We need to find the total cost to set up the factory. And it is also given that when fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fish. How much dried fish will they get in a month? Okay, so this is the table. Items: borewell for fresh water, bamboo rack for fish dyeing, cement tank, tray and knife, bucket. And the price of each is given. The number of items is this. We need to find out the total cost to set up the factory. How can we find? For finding we need to find out the cost of each of them and need to add. Here it is rupees 3,000. So the number of items is 1. So we need to multiply 3,000 into 1. That is, we get the same value. When we multiply with 1, we get the same value. Okay, so 3,000 itself. Next, 2,000 into 20. 2,000 into 20 means 2 into 2, 4. And we have 4 zeros. Okay, next 1,000 into 4, 4,001 into 4, 4, then 3 zeros. Okay, next is 3 into 2, 6, 3 zeros. Next 75 into 2, we know that 75 into 2 is 150. So, and after that we need to add these all. This is the sum. So for setting up the factory we need this amount. Okay, that is 54,500 rupees for setting up a factory. Okay, then we have one question. When fresh water fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 its weight. In 1 month they plan to dry 6,000 kilogram of fresh fish. We have fresh fish of 6,000 rupees, and it is said that when it is dried, it becomes 1/3, and we need to find out how much dried fish will they get in 1 month. That is 1/3 of dry fish equal to dried fish one-third of 6,000. That is, we need to divide 6,000 by 3. First we can divide 6 by 3, that is 2. So 2,000 is that answer. And one more sub question: how much dried fish will they get in 1 month?
Florama says, let us first calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. We buy fresh fish for rupees 15 per kg and we sell dried fish for rupees 70 per kg. We dry 6 kg fresh fish to get dash kilo dried fish, and for 6 kg fresh fish we have to pay 6 into dash kilogram equal to
rupees 90. And there are 3 more questions likewise. We need to find out the blanks and fill the answers. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's calculate the question of Florama. Okay, she buy fresh fish for 15 kilogram and dry fish for sell dry fish for 70 kilogram. Okay, so for 6 kilogram fresh fish, how much kilogram dry fish she gets? That is, we know that it will become 1/3 when it is dried. So 1/3 of 6, that is equal to 6 divided by 3, 2 kilogram dry fish. Okay, the next is for 6 kilogram fresh fish we have to pay. It is given here 6 into dash equal to rupees 90. How can we find this blank space answer? Here it is multiplication. When it goes here, it became division. So we need to divide 90 by 6. By dividing 90 by 6, what we get? 90 divided by 6. 5 6 are 30. I did it to show you. Okay. The next question. We will sell 2 kilogram dried fish and get 2 kilogram dry fish and get rupees dash. Okay, we know that for the value of dry fish is 70 per kilo. For 2 kilogram, 7 into 2, 14, that is 140. Okay, next question. If we dry 6 kilogram fresh fish, we will earn dash minus 90 equal to rupees 50. So if we need to find out the answer, we want to put it here. When this number comes after the equal to, it becomes, the symbol also change. So we need to add 50 plus 90. 50 plus 90 is 140. If you have doubt, minus 140 minus 90 equal to 50. So that is the answer. Okay, next question. If we try 6,000 kilogram, we can earn 6,000 kilogram. We can earn dash into 1000 in 1 month. That equal to, what is the answer? Here we know that for 6 kilogram dry fish, this is for 6 kilogram. We have rupees 50 for 6,000 kilogram. 50 into 1000, that is 50,000. Okay. Okay, so we have finished our first chapter. Stay safe. Thank you.